Alright, welcome back. So today for the update, I have two new parts I printed. These are pretty small parts, but I got these done nonetheless last night as of recording this. And these parts are just more shoulder parts. So they will go under the actual shoulder pads that are on my arm. And these connect to the chest and the upper back. So I got these two printed, not that much, but still, progress is progress. I do have something on the printer right now, so I will go ahead and show you what I have going. Alright, so currently I'm actually printing the right hand for the suit. So I just got that started about almost an hour ago. So, well, actually more like maybe 30 minutes ago, more realistically. So I have that going, and I am actually on my last film at school right now. So I need to buy a couple of more today. And I actually need to get a couple more things because I'm planning to set up more of a studio in here. So back here, I'm going to put up some stuff on the wall, and I'm going to probably be relocating my little recording section to where I'll be sitting right here, and my camera will be right around here. Anyway, that's it for today's update. I will see you tomorrow.